guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am actually at the car wash. So I really wanted to do a video about the best thing you could do if you want to start building a replica, and I thought I could do a video just to tell you what to do, what not to do. But anyway, I tried to film another video about 2 days ago, and there was a huge problem with my Final Cut program. So here it is. It's less of a quality than the other video. This one is going to be it's literally film on my iPhone, so please don't mind. But anyway, I hope you're going to like it. We're just going to wash the car, and then I'm going to teach you the basics on what to do and what not to do when you try to build a replica. So first up, we are going to put some money in this machine and clean the car, even though the car is already it's already kind of clean. Gotta love the white rims. So I think that everything is good to go as far as it looks. And yeah, so let's go talk about the tips and tricks in building a car like this. Okay, since it's a bit noisy here, we are going to go somewhere else. Let's go. She's alive. She's alive. Beautiful sunset, by the way. Okay, let's go. I almost prefer filming with my iPhone. As silly as it may sound, I mean, the image quality is much better and smoother. And with my cell phone, being the fact that it is a 4K iPhone, you can see that my steering wheel is a bit dirty, but yeah, please don't mind. So let's go. This is here, right there. This is the spot I usually use for almost all my videos, so why not? Okay, right there. It's very quiet, and yeah, there's not a lot of people that will come and check out the car and everything, so that's perfect for me. Let's go out. It's the perfect time of the day because actually you can see the car. The underglows are on, but it's not nighttime. It's like the perfect balance. So today I'm just going to run you the basic facts or the basic how-to of building a replica, whether it's the Eclipse, the Jetta, the Civic. It's always the same steps that you need to do. So the first thing I want to mention, because we talked about it on my Instagram, I think it was this past week, we were talking about the Civic, and there was somebody who said, well, the only thing left to do is to buy the Civic because I found the body kit online on carrot.com or something like that. And I told him, well, it's not because you see the body kit on a website that they are actually providing that body kit. So you need to do research. You need to be sure, 100% sure, before starting a project that you'll be able to actually get the parts from the supplier. It's very important. Don't make that error because it's going to cost you a lot of money and a lot of time. Basically, you need to be careful on finding the right parts. You need to be sure, 100% sure, you'll be able to get the part before ordering whatever you want, especially when it comes to body kit. There's a lot of old websites out there that are still providing or selling the right body kit, the one that you're probably looking for. But instead of just removing the article from their website, the parts that you're looking for, they are going to leave it there. And so if you're thinking that, oh, I'm going to get the right body kit, maybe you won't. Same thing goes for example, WingWest. I think their website is still up by today. And that means if you want to build a Jetta, you can probably think that the body kit is still available. In fact, if you want to get this body kit, you need to go on VS Racing website, and they are going to provide you with a similar body kit. Not the same, but a similar body kit. The body kit is probably the worst part to get for a replica, especially when it comes to Eclipses, Jettas, Supra. I think you can still get the Bolmex body kit. It was so popular back in the day, and these parts were not molded to the car, so they could even remove the side skirts from the car without any problem. Unlike the Eclipse, the right side skirt for the Eclipse, very hard to find, because in order to get the side skirt off the car, you need to break the molds, scrap the paint and everything. Since most of these parts are not available brand new anymore, you need to turn yourself to local ads, Craigslist, Kijiji if you're living in Canada, or something like eBay even in some cases. And it's hard. I mean, it's very hard to find the right parts, because you never know when somebody is going to sell the parts that you're looking for. For example, the wheels on my Jetta. Back in the day when we unveiled the car was on 18-inch rims. Even these wheels back then were super hard to find. These are 19. It actually took me 3 years of searching Kijiji, Craigslist, every single website to find these. And it's actually somebody from Koenig that knew a guy who knows a guy, you know the story. And they were able to track down a set for me, and these wheels came all the way from California. You never know where you're going to come up with the right deal at the right time. With these cars, it's always true. I mean, super hard to find. You need to be always aware. You need to search every website each and every day. It needs to be in your... Another thing I realized while building these cars is there's a lot of people who knows they own the part you're looking for. For example, a Koenig Tantrum, a 19-inch. Oh, let's just scrap that idea. Let's go to something even more, that happens way more. Axis 7 wheels, okay? Because these are the hot ones that everyone wants to get these days, because everyone wants to build an Eclipse. I've seen a lot of people online trying to scoop a wheel, like they found a set of 19-inch Axis 7, and they are going to at least try to get $2,000 for that wheel set, when in reality these wheels are worth probably like $500 maximum. You need to be aware there's a lot of scammers. There's a lot of people knowing that there's going to be somebody building a replica who needs these wheels, even though they are not the perfect size. If they got the perfect look, they are going to increase their price like crazy, and they are going to at least try to scam you off. You need to be aware of that. There's a lot of people, and there's a lot of people doing this, and it's still happening. Matter of fact, last week we saw somebody trying to scam people with Fast and Furious like wheels. Anyway, you need to be careful when you are considering building a car like this. You need to have money in front of you. You cannot just get a loan to build a car like this. It's not possible. You need to have at least, I'd say, $15,000 at least to do a great replica, or at least not a bad one. It's going to be super expensive. If you are good with your hands, if you're a mechanic, if you are a body, if you do body work on cars, if you do, I don't know, paint, it's a plus for you. You're going to spend less money on this car because you're going to actually take your own skills in order to build that car. But most of the kids who want to build cars like that are most likely only car enthusiasts. They don't know how to do engine swaps. They don't know how to do body work. So if you are one of these person who don't have a lot of skills, and don't take that wrong, okay? It's not a bad thing, but there's some people who cannot do body work. I cannot do body work. I can do engine swaps, I can do whatever I want, but I'm not good at body work. So that's why I sent my cars every time to highly skilled professionals that can paint the car, do the body work, do everything, and I take care of the rest, like engines, interior, stuff like that. So you need to be aware that you need money in front of you in order to pay for these guys, pay for that labor, in order to get a car, a quality build like that. So I think we got the basics on what to do and what not to do when you're building a replica. You need to be aware that there's a lot of people who are going to try at least to scam you. So be aware of that. If you see a deal too good to be true, like a set of wheels, Axis Neo wheels in Indonesia for like 300 bucks, just avoid it. Just look further, because there's a catch, there's something. So you need to be aware of all these little things. I made a lot of errors when I first started building Fast and Furious cars. Now I'm a bit better. I still do errors, but at least, I don't know, it takes time to master building replicas. And I think with this video, you're going to get at least a better idea what you need to do. So guys, if you have any questions or any topic that you would like to hear more about, especially about replicas, let me know, and I'll take care of that. I'll try to do more videos. If you want to hear something specific about the cars, let me know. I try to read every comments, so that's a good thing for you. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's going to be a lot more content coming your way this summer. The weather is much better now, so that's a good thing. I can go outdoor and film a lot of stuff, a lot of car related stuff for you. So with that said, I'm going to sign off and go for a drive with the car, because it's beautiful weather today. It's a bit hot. We are over 100 degrees right now, but the Jetta is running great, so that's a good thing. And plus there's AC in the car. So maybe the next time we could talk about, let me know if you want that. If I get like 200 likes on this video, we're going to do a video about what to look for when you're looking for a donor vehicle. A donor vehicle is basically the car you're going to use to build your replica. So if you want to see a video about that, leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you in the next one. Bye guys.